Amar has already pointed out, our private sector partner, concessionaire L&T Metro Rail Hyderabad Limited, is headquartered here. In fact, the journey is awesome. When I first came here, for starting the metro project in 2012, it was completely marshy land. Knee-deep water used to be there at Uppal. The land was 8,000 rupees per square yard. You know, you're all aware last year when HMDA auctioned a part of that area, it's more than 50,000 per square yard actually. That's a kind of growth that has happened in this region. It's an amazing transformation that has happened in the eastern part of the city. In fact, I feel jealous living in the western part of the city. When we come here, the air is much cleaner. In fact, the quality of living is much better here. And our Honorable Chief Minister has a definite agenda for the holistic development of the whole city, not only on the western part of the city. While we are in Metro Phase 2, we're going to give connectivity to the airport, not only from the western part of the city. Honorable Chief Minister gave us a directive saying that you have to bridge the link between Nagol and LB Nagar. That's about 5 kilometers. In Phase 2, we are covering that 5-kilometer bridging. And from there, different parts to the airport from the eastern part of the city also, we are going to, that is from LB Nagar, that is Uppal, Nagol, Uppal, then LB Nagar, and from LB Nagar to the airport in Phase 2, we'll be connecting from this part of the city also. And there are other plans from LB Nagar up to say Hayat Nagar. These kind of plans are very much there under the consideration of the government. Not only metro, there are going to be different other kinds of transportation systems, modern transportation systems. Our Honorable Minister is the one who is propagating while strengthening the public transportation system. At the same time, you also have to have grade separators and number of other things to ease the traffic and to make it faster to reach the places, etc. So there are lots of opportunities. Elevated BRT is a project, it's very much in the offing. Tramways are in the offing. So under the guidance of Honorable Chief Minister and our Municipal Minister, we are going to cover this eastern part of the city also with equal emphasis. So with these few words, I don't want to take much of your time. Definitely, eastern part of the city will see a massive growth, and I would all urge you to come forward and invest in the eastern part of the city. We have different metro stations here already, and from the metro stations already we have given last mile connectivity. If any of you are interested, we will be running feeder buses and feeder other vehicles actually from our metro stations of this part of the city and as well as other parts of the city. So with these words, I thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. All the very best. Thank you.